Today's story is called Why Do We Use Soap? A science experiment. Why do we use soap and water to wash our hands? Let's do an experiment to find out. We wash our hands to get the germs off our hands. We want the germs to go away. So we wash our hands. But why do we use soap? Can we just use water to wash our hands? For this experiment, you will need 2 small bowls. You will need some ground black pepper. You will need some liquid dish soap or liquid hand soap. So right here, your parents or grandparents or whoever's working with you can stop the video and go get what you need to do this experiment. So first, we are going to fill one of the bowls about halfway with water. So we're going to put some water in the bowl. Okay, here I have my bowl and I have my water, and I'm going to put my water in the bowl. So we're going to put in. And I made a mess as usual. Next, we need to sprinkle pepper on top of the water. So the whole surface of the water is full of pepper. We're going to put the pepper on the water. Okay, I have my pepper and I'm going to put it on top of the water. In this experiment, we are pretending the pepper is germs that can make us sick, like the cold or the flu or the coronavirus germs. We read about the coronavirus germs yesterday. So we are pretending that, let me zoom out here, that the pepper is the germ. Lots and lots and lots of germs in that water. Stop and make a hypothesis. What do you think will happen if you put your finger in that bowl? We're going to stop and think about what you think will happen if you put your finger in that bowl. I think that the pepper or the germs are going to stick to my finger and make it all dirty and gross if I stick my finger into that bowl. What do you think is going to happen? Try it. Dip one finger straight down in the bowl with the pepper and water. Then pull it out. So we're going to stick our finger in the bowl and then pull it out. We are going to dip one finger in the bowl and we're going to pull it out. What happened? Probably pepper germs stuck to your finger when you pulled it out. Was your hypothesis correct? Now, anybody who thought that the germs would stick to their finger when they pulled it out, you were correct. Your hypothesis or your guess was correct. Next, pour some liquid soap in the other bowl. Dip a clean finger into the bowl so that your finger is covered in soap. So we're going to, I'm sorry guys, this is a little crazy, but all right, we are going to pour our liquid soap in the bowl. And you really don't need that much. And then we're going to take our clean finger and dip it into the bowl. We're going to dip it in. I don't know if you guys can still see that. I'm sorry. We're going to dip it in so that our finger is covered in soap. Our finger is covered in soap. Oops, what did I do here? Make a hypothesis. What do you think will happen if you put your soapy finger into the bowl of our pepper germs? So we're going to stop here and think about what will happen if you put your soapy finger in the bowl of our pepper germs. I think that the soap is going to keep my finger clean. What do you think? So let's try it. Let's try it. We're going to dip your finger straight down into the bowl with the pepper germs and water. So we're going to dip it in. And pull it out. And what happened when we dipped our soapy finger into our pepper germs? So what happened? Probably germs moved away from your finger, and your finger is still clean. Was your hypothesis right? I said that I thought that the soap would keep my finger clean and the germs away, so my hypothesis was right. Did you think the same thing? Why did that happen? Soap breaks the surface tension of water, so water molecules move away from soap. They go away. When the water molecules move away from the soap, they take germs with them. So the germs go away when the water molecules move away from the soap. If we just use water, germs can stick to our skin. Using soap and water is the best way for you to wash those germs away. Tell them to go away. We do not want them. We want them to stop. So if we just use water, germs can still stick to our skin. So using soap and water is the best way to make those germs go away. So go wash your hands. And we have a hand washing video or a hand washing song that Miss Melissa added to her greeting video. And we read yesterday that you can sing happy birthday 2 times while you're washing your hands to make sure you're doing it for long enough. So that's why we're washing our hands. This book is over. It's time to stop. That is the end. I hope you all enjoyed our little experiment. I'm sorry that this video was all over the place today, but I wanted to do something that I thought you guys would enjoy and you thought was cool. And because of social distancing, I can't have somebody record me, so I had to do it by myself. And we do what we can. So I hope you enjoyed, and everybody have a great weekend. Bye.